How to cross progression Rainbow Six Siege. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. So you can easily cross progress between the Rainbow Six platform that is acceptable and compatible with your Rainbow Six Siege, which means that you can easily cross-play and cross-progression between your Xbox and PlayStation consoles and even your PC and Luna. You can easily matchmake between these platforms. Sadly, I hate to break it, it is not possible to match play between PC and console platforms, which means you will not be able to matchmake between Luna and console platforms as well. Cross progression is supported between all available platforms that is compatible with each other. You can make use of this feature by linking your platform account for the game to the same Ubisoft account, which means that you can connect both of your Xbox and your PlayStation console to your Ubisoft account to cross-play between them. And that is all for this video as well. We hope that it was informative to you.